Hey, what's going on, guys? It is November 1st. It's 6:30 at night. Just wanted to catch up and give you guys an update vid. I've been watching the markets on the sidelines for a few days now, and look, the dollar is very weak. Very very weak. There's no sugarcoating it or going around it. It's been selling off quite a bit over the last few days. And yeah, just wanted to kind of make a video to kind of give you guys where my thoughts on the whole situation. So if you guys follow my Twitter, you guys noticed that I was looking at Swiss franc when the Swiss franc was at close to parity. And I basically said that anytime the Swiss franc is at parity, it kind of worries me about the U.S. dollar strength, because I know that the Swiss bank likes to sell. They don't like their currency, at parity to the dollar. There's always a sell-off. Over the years I've been doing this, there's always a sell-off at parity, and I was a little bit nervous about it, and my fears materialized and the dollar sold off. So now that we have that out of the way, right? The sell-off. I think it's a little bit. I think it's overdue for a correction to the upside. I still think we make a move to the upside. We have the U.S. election coming up. We have I think the Fed speaks tomorrow. We have a lot of activity going on in this first 2 weeks of November, and it's kind of making the markets kind of hard to trade. I mean, if you look at USCAD, USCAD has been just stuck in a range for the longest, even though when you look at oil, I made a prediction that oil was going to drop from basically 50 to 45. We're about 1 point off the 45 mark, and USCAD really hasn't excuse me, USCAD really hasn't budged, which is surprising. Usually when oil drops like that, the USCAD just moves, and it just really hasn't moved very much. I think the market is just playing it safe, and we're waiting for a few things to kind of play out. I think the market is waiting for the Fed. I think the market is waiting on, most importantly, the U.S. election. I think we're waiting on a number of factors, and then we might get some clarity on the direction of the U.S. dollar. But I'm not a bear yet on the U.S. dollar. I'm not a complete bear on the U.S. dollar. There is a lot of selling going on. I do acknowledge that, but I'm not ready to sell yet. I'm not ready. Not until we get some direction out of the Fed. Not until we get a direction out of the U.S. election. Let me look at Kiwi. Kiwi crossed that 72 mark. I'm stopped out of half my position. That sucks, but so is trading. My last stop is above that 73 mark. If you look at this trend line right here, it's been sticking to this trend line right here, but right around here we broke out of the trend line. So I think we have some good selling resistance up in this 73 mark. Above 73, then the Kiwi dollar is bullish, but I'm trying to maintain my bearish bias. Once we're below, if we maintain below 73. So yeah, guys, a lot of wait and see right now. Just a lot of wait and see for me. I think the market is just ranging, and it's hard to kind of pinpoint exactly what's happening because we have so many events going on this November. So just wait and see, guys, and I'll update you guys in maybe like a week or so. Definitely after the presidential election, and you know, we get a little bit more clarity on what's going on in the market. But for now, I'm just on the sidelines, just watching. I'm short Kiwi, still long USCAD. I think you know, this range, we break out to the upside. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I will catch you guys in, you know, I'll catch you guys later in a few days or a week or so, and I'll give you guys an update. All right, take care.